missed one.
Look up on the dishwasher. Oh my God.
Look here, look here, look here, look here. Look, over here, I see one. Over here, look.
You are cleaning up.
What's that one?
Oh, here, look, 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 look.
Is there a light? Turn that light on, Nick.
Hey, what? You missed one. Oh, oh. I hope you realize you're plating for a pop too, eh?
Yeah.
Claire.
Look.
There's another one.
Look at that, another one.
Who came? Let me see your basket.
I eat the bird one.
I think you got enough now.
Can I see? Let's take a picture.
I think you got enough for me and you.
That's so cool.
Wow.
That's so cool.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's so cool.
Hey, look at Pop.
That's so
Look at
cool.
Pop. Oh.
That's so cool.
Find them all?
Casey, look.
You think you found them all, Claire?
I guess somebody else got it.
That's so cool.
Claire.
Somebody else got to worry about it.
Claire. Hey,
Gracie,
Look.
hey, slap your pants up like that.
look.
Yeah, get it, Mario.
I see one.
Where? Where? Here.
Oh my gosh, I'm looking there.
Right here.
Under there. Look,
That's so cool.
under the door. Wow, you got lots.
Oh, there's another one.
Where?
Right there.
Oh my gosh. Are you sure?
I know, I think take a basket.
No, I think that's a kitty toy.
Over there, get one all. Over there, Gracie.
They're gone now. They're gone.
Look, sweetie.
No.
Where? Where is them?
Those are eggs that you made.
They're moving.
They're moving.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
They're starting their baby. They're so cute.
They are cute.
Where they're
Got it in here?
here. Here.
Let's go out here and look out here.
Let's look at it here, sweetie.
Big little basket. I'll leave that for somebody else.
Out here in the living room.
Look at that one.
Oh my gosh, that's a big one. Look what's in there. Over there by the window. Poor Simon.
Claire, look under the table. Look under the table.
Did you go pee? Did you find the jackpot?
Bring them all up.
Are you going to have to share with the teenagers?
I'll show Claire afterwards.
Oh my God.
Really gonna? Oh, no,
The basket's getting full. Oh, another one of these.
What are you doing?
My nose take a picture.
Your nose tickle?
Yeah.
Oh. Go show Uncle Trevor all your eggs.
Okay.
No. Look behind you.
Oh, there's Trevor, Uncle Trevor. Look.
Behind you. Turn around. Look up. Way up.
How you got eggs.
Wow, look at them all. Good job.
You got quite a few there, Uncle Trevor.
They'll show you in. The Easter Bunny came for her too.
I just told her